Hi guys, now today we are making yeast chapatis, or you can also call them flatbread. So very delicious. You can eat them with chai or even dip them in a sauce and enjoy them. So we need 1 cup of milk, warm milk, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Now 1 tablespoon of sugar, and cover this and let it activate. You mix this properly and cover it and let it activate. After 10 minutes, you add in your all-purpose flour. I used 3 cups here. And you add in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix this nicely. And then you're going to add in, we are going to spice it up with, we are going to add in a bit of garlic and onion. I used 3 garlic cloves. I used 1 medium-sized onion. I added in a bit of milk because I need my dough to be very soft and sticky and elastic. Yes, now we're also going to add in oil because when it's too sticky, we need a bit of oil. So yes, I need this for at least 5 minutes, and it's going to be soft and elastic, as you can see right there. So you are going to cover this up and let it sit, let it rest for just 25 minutes. 25 minutes. So after resting, we are going to open it up, punch out that gas, and yes, you're going to get this and cut out shapes. 3 cups of flour. I got 6. I cut it out 6 times. Okay. So if you want them to be thick, very very thick, you can just go 4 times. Or if you want it to like just be a bread and it's really really thick, you can do 2 times. Now what you do are you reduce the heat so that it cooks inside if you're going to make them really thick, so that it cooks all the way through. Yes, you give it its time. Now you do this to get the best shape out of your dough. Another thing, guys, if you really want to really spice it up, flavor it up, you can add in some green pepper, you can add in some carrot, some dry herbs to really 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 flavor it up. It's so delicious. You can play with your food. I always tell you, make it, customize your food, personalize it. You make it what you want it to be. Yes, you can break the rules. Yeah, so roll it out a bit, and yeah, you put it on a hot pan. You let it you cook you first cook the first side, and then you turn it, you cook on the other side. Now when the gas comes out like that, we are going to oil it up. You make sure that both sides have been browned nicely, then you oil it up. Use little oil, no need for a lot of oil. Doesn't need a lot of oil, just use little oil. Or if you have butter, yeah, you can go in there with butter. Now you mix that properly. Please get something, don't burn your hands like me. And yeah, you flip it, add oil this side, and then you also flip it. Cooking this is going to take like 3 minutes. 3 minutes altogether. It doesn't take long. So you repeat this with all your remaining, flatbread dough. And yeah, when you're done, please make sure that you're keeping it in a warm thing. Now I got some aluminium foil there, and then I also covered a towel so that when you're done with them, they are still very very soft and delicious. Guys, try these things out. They're so delicious. You're not going to regret. You can eat it with sauce, or you can just drink it just like that with chai or milk or anything. Now, thank you very much for supporting me. Keep supporting. God bless you. Ciao.